Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a timer for our transformation. Now what do I mean by that? Well, for some of you who's either confused or just what I mean is that the timer basically in a nutshell, like it's a timer for the transformation, like how long you can do this transformation. So how do we make this timer? Well, it's quite simple. And we'll make this timer work locally. So this is my way of making a timer for the transformation. Other ways is like using the energy bar, like making an energy bar and using energy, and it would gradually deplete the energy, and then when it's zero, you can do that too. I might make a video on that, but for now we're gonna make a timer version. So what? So if you remember from the last video, we have this. I mean, from the last videos about Dragon Ball, we have these codes that we created. We have to go back to the local script because in the local script we need something. So let's make a boolean boolean value. So let's make this true or false value. So let's make like set timer. That's going to be the name of this variable. We'll set it to false. Now we also going to pay attention to is mode equal to false, because if it is, so we're going to do if is mode is equal to true, then so yeah, wait, let me just check one more thing. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. So when is mode is equal to true, we're also going to check if set timer is equal to false, then we'll do this. Set timer is equal to true, and then we're going to add like a timer, like the final time. So local final time. This is going to be a number value. Sorry, it's gonna contain the number 0. It's gonna initially be 0, but here's what happens. So in final time, it's gonna equal to was the final timer time. So what I mean basically, this is when the time is gonna end. So game dot this game dot workspace dot distributed game time. So yeah, that's what it's gonna equal to, plus like the length of the timer. Okay, so let's say for example it's going to be 1.5. Let's just make it a little bit longer so we can see that, so we can see the magic happen. Now the next thing we're going to do is if the next thing we're going to do is, well, yeah, let's do so. After this we're going to add an else. If set time is equal to true, we're going to check the final time. Now game.workspace.distributed game time is equal or yeah, basically that final time. And so when this happens, set timer is going to be equal to false, and then we're going to add transformation event. We're going to forcefully make it. We're going to forcefully turn off the transformation. I'm zooming in. Why? Okay, yeah. So we're gonna put it fire, and this is also a boolean value. So like if I remember correctly, to turn this off, you're gonna share it a true value. And then in this, you're going to also at the same time, you're going to go is mode is equal to false. And then right after this, when is mode is equal to false, you're going to copy this transformation module line. And then it's going to work really well. So we can finally test this game and see what happens and all the cool things. Okay, now let's test the game and see if this code actually works. So we're in the game and now we can test. Let's see. Oh, it works. So there's a timer. So look, my transformation went out. Now, obviously, you're not going to make the timer really short. You're probably going to add more. Probably just gonna add some more, like some more time to it because it's way too short right now. Okay, so we're in and we're about to code. Okay, so obviously, y'all always going to do this. You're going to probably have this longer. Like maybe you could use this mode for I don't know, for 2 minutes. And yeah, well, it's up to you on how long you want this mode to be used for. So, and you can probably edit a better version with just this simple knowledge. But yeah, this is how you make a simple timer for your Dragon Ball transformation thingy. There's other ways to do it, and I usually prefer this, but prefer those other ways. But this way is a much more simpler way of making a transformation. So thank you for thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and I hope your games will turn out to be really great, unlike mine, which are just well, I mean they're good, but yeah, I hope your games end up really good and the successful, and you're happy. So goodbye.